Welcome back at 5:30. Changing immigration policies are keeping advocates and attorneys on their toes with a major change in green card applications that was made just last week.
So a new report looks at how these constant changes affect immigrants here in central Indiana. Ella Rhodes joins us now. And Ella, what did you learn from this report?
Yeah, well, there are a few key takeaways in the report from the Immigrant Welcome Center. They looked at policy changes in the last 18 months. Now, the center found immigrants' mental and physical health are suffering from policy changes on multiple levels. The Immigrant Welcome Center found their worries about the community reflected in the data. In a recent report, it found high anxiety levels about safety, less access to health care and legal help, and loss of employment. IWC CEO Gurinder Kaur attributes the results to changes at the state and federal levels.
Designed to create disenfranchisement amongst our immigrant communities, fear amongst our immigrant communities, sending the message that you're just not welcome here.
Like a new state law on stricter requirements for CDL licenses.
That is creating additional burdens. That is creating additional confusion, not just for the immigrant neighbors, but the employers.
Kaur believes about 2,000 immigrants lost their jobs.
And when you're not able to work, you're not able to feed your family, you're not able to pay your mortgage, and it's just a domino effect.
IWC found the changes disrupt daily life and family stability.
The families are just being constantly bombarded.
On top of that, visa applications are backlogged by more than 11 million cases. Longtime immigration attorney Paul Gress says the president's policy slowed it down.
If he says, I want this done more in an efficient, faster way, it's going to be done in a more efficient, fast way. But they have prioritized removals. The people that they're hiring are not processing, but removals. That's why we have this backlog.
He noticed the backup instantly.
He came in, it was like a storm, a tornado took, it just happened almost immediately.
New federal policy now requires people to apply for green cards in their home country.
They're not being treated like humans.
Another challenge to the services people like Gress and Kaur provide, and for the immigrants navigating their lives. IWC completed the study with the help of an IU researcher. Now, as for solutions to improve the well-being of the immigrant community, IWC recommends reaching out to lawmakers, reading fact-based evidence and talking with your immigrant neighbors.
Okay. Ella Rhodes reporting for us this afternoon. Thank you.